Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you a new update I made to the Zapp plugin. Starting from now it will also be able to display websites that are behind CloudFlare protection. So let me show you this. If we check on this website that I found, if you see the screen, that means that the website is behind the CloudFlare protection and the plugin was not able to proxy it correctly until now. So let's check on this. As you can see, the same screen appears, but the plugin is not proxying it correctly. It returns to the blog, the origin blog, and it gives a not found error. So to get around this, I added a new settings field, default cookies to send with request. Okay, so how to get this? We should hit F12 on our keyboard on the site which we want to access, and we should go to the network tab here. This is the developer console from Chrome. Go to network tab and refresh the page you want to access. Here many connections will be listed. Search for the connection with the same name as the website. So this is the first one usually. And right click on it and hit copy as CURL CMD. Go to a text editor, paste the text you got, and search for this. Quote cookie space and a long string. Copy everything until the next quote you see. So this is the next quote you see. Copy everything until it. Go to plugin settings and paste it in the default cookies to send with request. Save settings, and now we can check again on the plugin proxying the page, and now it works. So this is all for this update. I hope you will enjoy this new feature. Until next time, have a good day. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and bye bye.